Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create easy junk journal pages and elements using my printable junk journal templates and Canva. You can of course use these templates with any type of photo editing or graphic design program such as Photoshop or Affinity Photo. However, Canva is convenient because it's free and easy to use. And these templates make it super quick and easy to make your own unique pages and elements for your junk journals. Canva is an online graphic design platform where you can create social media graphics, presentations, posters, and other types of visual content. Canva has a free version which includes lots of different types of content that you can use to create your project, and it also has a paid version that has additional features. You only need the free version to create junk journal pages and elements using my printable templates. To get started, first log into Canva at www.canva.com. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to make one. After you log in, you'll land on the home page where you can create a new project or view previous projects. When you create a project, you can select from a number of different styles of presets, but I'm going to use a custom size, 11 inches wide by 8.5 inches high, which is a standard junk journal page size. After you input the size, you'll be taken to the Canva editor where you can create your project. Canva has a lot of different elements that you can freely use to create your graphic designs, but for this project, I'll be importing the files from my desktop into Canva. To import files, select the Upload tab. You can then either click the Upload button, browse to your folder and select the files, or simply drag and drop the files from your folder onto the Upload area. Canva allows you to import a wide variety of file formats for images, videos, and documents. To create my printable pages and elements, I'll be importing a digital paper that I'm going to use for the background, along with the PNG template files. Once the files are uploaded, to add them to your document, simply click on a file and it automatically inserts itself onto the document. To move the file, drag it into place and then use the handles to resize if necessary. This is a printable paper that I'm using for my background. Now I'm going to add some border templates to create a stitched border effect. I love these templates. It makes it super easy to create a stitched effect without actually sewing anything. When using these templates, the main thing to remember is to always place them on top of the background paper. I'm using two different templates placed side by side. These templates are designed to mix and match, so you have unlimited design options. I'm also going to add a vintage style edge template that gives the edges a slightly darker appearance when printed. I now have 4 layers in my design, and I want to bring the stitched layers forward so that they're sitting on top of the vintage style border, so that when I print the page, they'll be a little darker in colour and less obscured by the faded edge. To view the layers, click off the document and onto the background area of the editor. Then click on the Position tab on the top left, and you can now see all the layers listed in order. To move the layers, grab them and simply move them into position. On this screen, you can also rotate the elements horizontally and vertically. Click on the layer to select it, then click on the Flip button and select the rotation. To go back to the main editing screen, click on the background area. In a similar method to making quick and easy junk journal pages using the page border templates, you can also use templates to quickly make junk journal elements such as cards, tags, and pockets. I'm making a new document This time size 8.5 inches by 11 inches, which is the size of these templates. I'm going to upload a template together with some printable papers to make some journal cards. This template can be used to make journal cards in a variety of sizes. Just click on the template and it automatically inserts itself into the document. Then use the handles to resize it. Click on the paper to add it to the document. Resize it. Then access the Layers panel and move the paper layer underneath the template layer. With these templates, you can use one digital paper, such as the one that I'm using, that gives you a set of coordinated journal cards. Papers with large patterns and designs on them will usually give you a good selection of coordinated elements, each with a slightly different pattern or design. However, you can also easily use a number of different digital papers to create elements that have completely different patterns and designs. Add the papers that you want to use, then in the Layers panel, move the template layer to the top. Select each of the papers and move them into position. Then use the side and bottom handles to resize the paper. What this does is actually crop the paper to size. How quick and easy is that? Now you can download the file by clicking the Share button on the top right, the Download button, then select PDF, which is best for printing. Check Flatten PDF to ensure that it prints correctly, then click Download, and the file will download to your desktop. Once downloaded, open the file in a PDF reader and open the Print dialog box. Make sure the scaling option is set to none so that it prints at the correct size. Then print it out onto a piece of cardstock and cut out the pieces.